Picture this, Ripple's XRP hitting unimaginable heights. Some experts are even eyeing a staggering $27 price target. This is more than just another price prediction. It's a look into what many believe could be the biggest rally XRP has seen in years. In this video, the spotlight is on the newly formed asymmetrical triangle that has traders convinced that this may be one of the most bullish setups in the crypto market. Now, if you've been wondering whether XRP still has fuel left in the tank, well, stay tuned. Bold forecasts, recent market moves, and everything you need to know about why Ripple XRP holders could be on the verge of monumental gains. This could be the next turning point that you won't want to miss. Have you ever wondered why some analysts are suddenly so bullish on XRP, even when the rest of the crypto market seems shaky? Well, the crypto market's been a bit of a roller coaster lately. No surprises there, right? Well, Bitcoin has been trying to hold key support levels while Ethereum is hovering around critical zones too, right? Meanwhile, many of the altcoins, they have struggled to kind of keep pace with the global economic uncertainty. Yet, in the midst of all this volatility, XRP has quietly shown signs of remarkable resilience. According to Ali Martinez, a prominent crypto analyst, XRP currently has one of the most bullish setups in the market. And he's not talking about a minor bump up by a few cents either. He sees a potential major breakout in the works. So you might be asking yourselves, why does all this matter? Well, XRP has historically been a top contender in the altcoin space. It's already reclaimed the attention by holding strong support levels when other coins have, well, dipped. Right? If a respected analyst calls something the most bullish setup, it's kind of a big deal. Now, Martinez points out that XRP has retested the upper bounds of its isometric or asymmetric triangle on its 4-hour candle chart. Now, generally, these triangle patterns can be a strong bullish or bearish indicator, depending on which side the asset breaks out from. Now, in XRP's case, it broke out to the upside and then confirmed that breakout with a retest. So let's talk about that successful retest, right? A retest often means that the price came back down to check if the previous resistance, the triangle upper boundary, is now firm support level. So what's the significance of this? Well, when that level holds, it can solidify bullish conviction, paving the way for further upside moves. So, where could this take XRP? According to Martinez, we're looking at a target far beyond XRP's all-time high of around $3.40. His chart analysis suggests that the price might shoot up between $10 and $11. That's a pretty bold prediction, especially considering XRP's recent trading at around that kind of $2.50 to $2.60. Can you imagine what that kind of rally could mean for both casual holders and serious traders? Did you know that XRP once hit $2.90 back in December 2024, marking a significant 7-year high? Now, analysts think that it could easily blow past that milestone. Now, while many crypto enthusiasts, they focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP has a history of large price movements. It rocketed from just a fraction of a cent to over $3 in that 2017 bullish run, turning a lot of early believers into massive winners. December 2024, well, XRP soared to $2.90, an eye-opening event for traders who saw it as a sleeping giant. Well, the all-time high of around $3.40 recorded back in early 2018 is the next kind of key milestone. So, the crypto market runs heavily on sentiment, news, rumors, and of course social media discussions. Can kind of make or break the coin's momentum. Right now, XRP is riding a wave of positive social sentiment, fueled by bullish technicals and some high-profile endorsements from analysts. So it's kind of a big confidence booster, right? When a kind of widely followed analyst points to a strong chart setup, it tends to attract more traders. And of course, that has community hype as well, right? XRP also already seen a kind of dedicated community, already has a dedicated community, sometimes kind of referred to as the XRP army, and any kind of perceived bullish signal can amplify, well, the excitement. So why are retests so crucial in technical analysis then? So in simple terms, a retest is like proof that the prior barrier has now can now act as a kind of foundation, if you will, right? A key support level. Think of it as like testing a newly built bridge, right? You want to ensure it's sturdy before driving heavy traffic over it, right? Now, for XRP, a successful retest of its triangular upper boundary suggests that sellers don't actually have enough power to push the price back below that resistance level or support level, right? And this outcome basically often kind of precedes a stronger and more sustained rally. Could XRP reach $10, $11, or even a whopping $27? Well, some crypto believers kind of think so, and well, here's why. 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 has been calling attention to his asymmetrical triangle since late December 2024. He kind of projects XRP to climb to $10 to $11, which kind of implies a nearly 300% increase from current price levels of $2.50 plus 60, right? So why is this number so significant? Well, it's nearly triple XRP's previous trading range, right? It's kind of well above XRP's previous all-time high of $3.40, and achieving it would put XRP in a very exclusive club of assets that have soared beyond their kind of older peaks in a new cycle. Other analysts known as, or at least another analyst known as 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 believes that XRP could go as high as $27 in the current market cycle. It sounds crazy at first, but crypto has a history of surpassing even the most seasoned traders' expectations. Now, let's take some perspective in check, right? If XRP does in fact hit $27, that's over 10x from its current price, right? Is it feasible? The feasibility of it? Well, while it's essential to keep our expectations realistic, the crypto market has seen even wilder moves in the past. What do you guys think about these ambitious price targets? Do you see XRP hitting $10 or even $27, or is all this just overly optimistic? Let's talk about the growing adoption though, right? Because financial institutions, payment networks are kind of increasingly exploring or utilizing XRP for its kind of cross-border transactions. So what are the bullish technicals that are also kind of building these pictures, right? You've got the asymmetrical triangle breakout. It's just kind of one part of the puzzle. Moving averages, relative strength indexes, RSIs, and other indicators could also be kind of there to add confluence to these kind of bullish projections. And then we can also add more fuel to the fire with the general kind of crypto market recovery, right? If Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other kind of leading assets experience robust bull runs, well, altcoins like XRP often follow suit, and sometimes, or at least most of the time, outperform. Now, we've seen the broader market kind of teeter between fear and greed. So how does XRP fit into the bigger picture here? Well, the cryptocurrency market has kind of faced a wave of uncertainty recently. Regulatory clampdowns, global economic shifts, and changing investor sentiment have made it tough for many altcoins to gain momentum. Yet, XRP is standing out as a potential anomaly, right? Let's first start with the flight to quality, right? Some investors rotate into well-known altcoins like XRP when they see strong fundamentals or a loyal kind of user base. And then there's the resilience factor, right? XRP's resilience might actually draw in more capital from traders looking for the next big move outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin, often kind of seen as the gold standard in crypto, any kind of strong move in BTC generally influences the rest of the crypto market. With Ethereum, kind of the leader in smart contracts and decentralized finance, however, its kind of price has been relatively stable in compared to some altcoins, leading some investors to seek potentially higher returns elsewhere. There's definitely a lot of concern over Ethereum in this bullish cycle. And then, of course, we've got other altcoins, Solana, Cardano, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, and others, and each have their own ecosystems. But XRP's bullish setup is grabbing headlines because of the kind of scale of the predicted move, right? And of course, right, no analysis would be complete without acknowledging the potential downsides, right? There is, of course, the obvious, the failed breakout, right? If the retest doesn't hold up and, well, further selling pressure ensues, well, the bullish scenario could get invalidated. Then, of course, there's macro factors to consider, right? The economic downturn or major regulatory rulings could shift market sentiment in an instant, right? So we need to be very aware of it. And of course, we can't ignore the most obvious one, which is profit taking, right? If XRP does indeed surge, early investors might cash out at key levels, causing short-term volatility or pullbacks. So, what's the XRP army saying about all these bullish forecasts, and how might that actually influence the price action? Well, XRP arguably has been one of the most or at least it has one of the most dedicated communities in the crypto world. They are highly active on social media, championing the assets, utility, and cross-border payments and beyond. This collaborative, or at least collective, I should say, actually, this collective enthusiasm can significantly impact market sentiment, right? You've got online forums and, of course, x.com, for example, right? The buzz around these kind of price calls can lead to an influx of retail interest. And then, you know, social media kind of engagement, right? Platforms like X, Reddit, and Telegram see daily discussions about upcoming developments, fueling a positive feedback loop for momentum to kind of pick up on. And then, of course, when the hype does build, the FOMO, the fear of missing out, can set in. Traders who've kind of been on the sidelines might jump in, accelerating a price move. This can be great for short-term gains, but also introduce emotional trading risks, where people buy purely because they're afraid to miss the next pump. So let's get a healthy perspective on this then. So even though the target is $10 or above, right, it's important to research thoroughly and not just jump in blindly, right? Dollar cost averaging, right? Some investors choose to average in over time to kind of help mitigate against these risks. Now, Ali Martinez and 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 have been vocal about their bullish stance. Other analysts and traders may have been kind of more conservative targets or remain neutral until they kind of see more confirmation. So let's take a look at the diversified views that are out there, right? Some might see $5 as a more realistic short-term goal before kind of looking at those higher levels. And I am definitely in that camp. And of course, we can have a look at the different approaches. You've got technical versus fundamental, right? Pure technical analysis relies on chart patterns, while fundamental analysis focuses on adoptions, network usages, and of course, the macroeconomic trends. So how can you position yourself to possibly benefit from this potential breakout without kind of throwing caution to the wind, if you will? Let's start with swing trading, right? If you're comfortable with short-term to medium-term trades, well, this might be one that you want to watch out for, right? The confirmed breakouts, and then set your stop loss orders below the key support levels. And if you're into kind of long-term holding, if you kind of believe in XRP's fundamentals and the possibility of a $10 plus target, well, you might be opting in for a long-term hold, anticipating, well, bigger moves. But of course, you've got to have good risk management either way, right? Always remember, right? Higher rewards usually comes with higher risks, right? No matter your strategy. Never invest more than you are willing to lose. Essentially, it's probably one of the best things you'll ever hear. Now, even if you are bullish on XRP, it's wise to keep a kind of balanced portfolio, right? Bitcoin trends and Ethereum's developments can directly affect altcoins. Diversification can help mitigate losses if one particular asset kind of faces downturns. So this market kind of moves fast, right? We kind of see this every day. Now, a single kind of piece of the latest crypto news that can kind of change everything overnight. You need to make sure that you follow reputable analysts that outline the correct news as it is, right? Use social media wisely. Don't just rely on hype alone. And keep an eye on the on-chain data, right? Like transaction volumes, the wallet growth, right? And it's not just the number of wallets. How much XRP does every wallet have? Is it literally just a bot that is opening up a fresh wallet with 1 XRP in it? I know it's not technically possible, but you kind of get the idea. Maybe 10 XRP per wallet, and you have an influx of wallets making it look like there's actually a lot of adoption when there isn't. And that sounds crazy, but I've seen it done before on some true shitcoins out there trying to trick retail investors into thinking that there is something going on when there isn't. So you have to dig a little bit deeper, but nonetheless, it is key to keep an eye on that on-chain data, taking a look at transaction volumes and the kind of fees associated with it, taking a look at how much XRP is held within certain brackets of wallets, and whether or not actually there's a lot of dead wallets out there, more dead wallets, in fact, than there are active ones. And some interesting things if you wanted to take a look at that down in our free Discord server, so link in the description down below. So, will XRP really skyrocket to $10 or maybe even higher? In the world of cryptocurrency market updates, anything can happen, right? We've seen wild price moves before, and well, we'll see them again. Whether this prediction comes true soon or not, the underlying technicals suggest that XRP is definitely a coin to keep on your radar. So, what do you think? Could XRP hit $10 in this cycle, or is $27 even possible? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, or join us in our free Discord server linked in the description, and we can continue the conversations down there. We'd like to hear your take and see what you all thought about the price predictions and where you are predicting XRP to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, spread this content to more like-minded individuals, and if you want to stay up to date with everything that is going on with XRP, then why not go ahead and subscribe to stay up to date. And obviously you're going to get the latest and greatest from this channel. And of course, if you want to spread the word even further, consider sharing it with a friend who is curious about cryptocurrency or even holds XRP. Now, maybe $27 is just too low for you guys. Maybe you've got much higher expectations. If so, then you're probably going to want to check out this video right here, where we talk and explore the idea of $20,000 XRP.